Hey everyone, so for today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial using some products that I got sent to me. If that's something that you might be interested in, please continue watching, but before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and have your post notifications turned on. That way you never miss an upload of mine. So that's pretty much all I gotta say for the intro. Let's just get into the video. Alright, so to start off, I'm just going to speed through my brow routine because this isn't really a new product. I want to show you guys, and I want you guys to focus on what I got, what I got. And I've been using this for the past year now, so I'm just speeding through it. Don't mind. Alright, so here is my package from Glam Xten Collection. As you can see, I am just beyond excited because I never received a PR package this big in my entire life. I'm not saying that in any way to brag. I am just so excited because, this is the biggest package I got in my life that has more than like 2 items, so I'm very excited for that. As you can see, I got a brush set. These look like mermaid tails. They're glittery, they're pretty, they're colorful. This is like my first colorful brush that I have. I always wanted to get my hands on one of those. I'm going to use one of them in this video, you'll see later. But I have this iridescent makeup pouch. It doesn't have to be just for makeup. It can be for skincare, it can be for hair stuff, it can be for anything you want it to be. I actually put my skincare stuff in it. I also got some 3D lashes. I use them in this video. I got some neon stackers, guys. I never owned any neon stackers a day in my life. I'm so excited to use them. I used the green and yellow ones in this video, and they're just gonna be so pretty. So pretty. I want to use the other colors so bad. They are so gorgeous. I also got a glitter stacker. I am really obsessed with the gold one. That one is just shining and catching my eye the most. The other ones are very pretty. I like the silver one as well. I like all of them, to be honest, but I love that gold one. I cannot wait to use that in a look. Yeah, I got a glitter stacker. I also got some transparent loose flakes. I never owned any loose flakes before. I can't wait to try these ones as well. I can't wait to try out everything that I got in this package, y'all, to be honest with you. Like everything is so colorful. Shout out to this brand. Everything is just so colorful. The packaging is bomb. It's so pretty, and I'm just obsessed. Alright guys, so here's the last thing in my package. This is the Glitz palette. As you can see, the packaging is just very beautiful. It's a pink like marble package with their logo in the middle, and it's just very pretty. As you can see, I'm sliding out the actual thing, and when I open it, you can just see that it's all colors of the rainbow in here. There's red, there's pink, there's blue, there's teal, which is my favorite color, there's a shimmer color, there's white. There's just plenty of colors you can work with in this palette, and I just can't wait to get my hands on it. As you can see, of course, I had to jump to the teal one because that's my favorite color. Wow, you can see it's just very pigmented. Very pigmented. I'm swatching it on my arm right now. One swipe and it's already just covering the whole patch of skin that I just swatched it on. Crazy. Alright, so as always, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyes as the base because a light base always makes your shadows pop. After that, I am going to take the Glitz palette, and I'm going to take the teal shade in that palette and start using that as my first transition color. When I'm done with that, I'm going to take the lime green shade in the palette and use that as my second transition. I'm just going to try to blend the two together. As you can see, I am patting the shade on instead of swiping it because when you pat it on, it builds up the color more than you swipe it. So as you can see, it's very pigmented. I love the two of these colors combined. It's just very pretty. It reminds me of like a tropical forest or something right now. Here, I'm just cutting my crease with the same concealer I used to prime with, which is the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1. And I'm just going to apply that all over my eyes and do that trick where when you look up, you transfer the concealer and it helps you cut out your crease, if that makes sense. Alright guys, time for the fun part. So I'm taking these neon pigments I received, I'm taking the yellow one, and I'm going to take the flat brush that I got and I'm going to pack that yellow shade all over my lid. I'm actually going to pack it more towards the inner corner because it's kind of going to be green fading to yellow, if that makes sense. And look how happy, like, that is so bright. I never had an eye look so bright in my life. This looks crazy, and even the fallout looks pretty. Like, look at that. Yo, that brightness though, look at that. It's so bright I can't even see. But anyways, I'm gonna move on to the bright green one that's there, and I'm going to pack that right next to the yellow. And as you can see, it's applying flawlessly. Like, I barely have to apply it, like keep, building it up. It's just going right on, sticking right to the base and all that. And it's so glowy. I can literally go to a glow in the dark party and just slay everybody, like, for real. But I'm gonna take the Carity matte palette and just take that black shade because I do want to deepen things up and smoke things out a little bit, if that makes any type of sense. And I'm just gonna do that, and yeah. Now I'm taking my Gerard Cosmetics eyeliner and I'm going to just make I'm not even making a wing. I'm just going to do like a smoked outliner, like how you start off small and then you slowly build up once you get to the outer corner of your eye. I'm just going to do that and set it with some black eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to take this ColourPop eyeliner and I'm just going to line my waterline because I think my waterline looks a bit empty and I'm not trying to look empty, I'm trying to look full. Guys, I don't even make sense. What am I talking about? But you know what I mean. I'm going to line my waterline just so I can make the look stand out. And to make my eyes look even more smoky than they already are, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow that I use from the Carity matte palette and smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going to take these 100% 3D mink lashes that I received and I'm just going to pop that on my eyes. I'm going to use some duo lash glue and call it a day. Alright, so I'm going to take the Juvia's Place the Hair in 2 palette and I'm going to take that Sandy Champagne Shimmer shade and I'm going to apply that to my inner corners. To finish up this look, I'm going to take this mint lip gloss. I literally got it from a beauty supply store for 99 cents, guys. Get you some. It makes your lips look so shiny and so good. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I want to give a huge thank you to Glam Xten Collection for sending me all these products to try out for you guys. I really love the neon pigments. I love how it has shimmer in it. The ones that I've seen anyway don't have shimmer, it's just regular matte. But these ones have shimmer in it and just makes it really shiny looking and just really good on camera. And I just cannot wait to just turn this camera off and take a bunch of pictures, like flash photography. I love taking flash photography pics, like those are my favorites. So I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures showing off this makeup look because I never used pigments in my life. Never wore a neon look before. This is my first neon look and it looks so good. I also like the Glitz palette. That is a nice palette too. The shades are very pigmented. So check out this brand, Glam Xten Collection. Collection. It's very underrated and I highly recommend it. If you're interested in buying any of these products that I used in the video, feel free to use my code JOLIE, just JOLIE, simple, and that will save you 10% off of your purchase. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put the link to their website in the description, that way you can go check it out. Again, if you want to buy something, use my code JOLIE and that saves yourself some money. So yes, thank you to Glam Xten Collection. I'm still gonna be using the products that you gave me. I still have yet to try out the glitter and the flakes that you sent as well, so I'm looking forward to using that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to have 2,300 subscribers by the end of the month. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions for some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And that is pretty much all I have to say. Make sure you have my post notifications turned on, guys. That way you'll never miss an upload. Nah, I mean. So yes, that is pretty much all I have to say. Have a blessed day, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out. Comment down below if you like this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it?